welcome to my YouTube channel Seer Constant Times. So today I will tell you about how to manage your valuable time, because today's scenario everyone has a problem because they don't have time to do something interesting. So friends, before starting this video, I would like to request you to all, please subscribe my video for more videos and like and your valuable comments. So today I will start time management. Learning to manage your time effectively is much more difficult than many imagine. It requires conciseness, efforts at developing new work skills, and awareness of time as a valuable resource. This self-assessment questionnaire is designed as a tool for identifying your current time management. So skills, habits, practices, use it periodically as a self-check. If you are daring, you might ask a coworker to rate you on many these items. So these perceptions might help you identify areas you didn't realize needed attention. So time management involves the act of arranging, scheduling, organizing, and budgeting the very minutes individuals use to complete their daily tasks. Effective workers implement time management skills to improve their productivity. Corporations, small business, and individuals spend thousands of dollars attending workshops, reading books, stocking up on day planners, and listening to podcasts that offers methods for using one's time wisely. So businessmen, students, blue collar workers, fast food managers, and even ordinary housewives have relied on time management principles to achieve their daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly goals. In an ever evolving technological world, people devise new ways to simply avoid distractions and remain focused on earning an income, educations, personal and family time. So dear friends, I will tell you 5 tips to managing your valuable time. So here first tips is prioritize your task. Means what you want to do most likely. So first, and when you go to office, there you have make to-do list. First what you have to complete first, and at home you can do same thing. First what you have to do first, complete first. So this is very important to set your priority. Second, get the job done right the first time. Means whatever you are doing, do right in first time. So you don't have to repeat again and again. You don't waste half to time. Third tips is do not waste time. I already told you, but again it's a tips for your time saving. Like, do not waste time unnecessary things, distractions. Like when you are doing something, don't use mobile. When you are doing something, don't think other task. Understood? So my dear friends, 4 tips is delegate task, and last tips is avoid procrastinations. So time management, I think, is a skill that takes time to development and perfect. It also is a skill that is different for everyone. Your best bet is to try a variety of different approaches. Means thinking until something clicks in your mind and it sticks in your routine. So I will tell you something extra things, like when you start your day, what you have to do. First, make list. Means plan your day. A small, simple, in notebook you can always write down your list. What you have to complete in a today, monthly, yearly, your 5-year plan, 10-year plan, in future plan, and even shortly in 1 hour, 2 hour, what you want to do. So make list. Second thing is make use of downtime, means using walking, driving, soaring, and otherwise that times to plan. Think about what your goals are for that day or the next. So on this duration you can manage or plan your goals, how to complete, how to achieve, and how to finish, and within deadline, within time, which goals are most important, and priority is the key. Third tips, reward yourself. Dear friends, we always forget whenever we get success, that time okay we feel okay, it's okay, we have complete this, we achieved this, we feel happy, but we never celebrate. So I request you, whenever you accomplish something, especially the important things, make sure to take the time to reward yourself, like enjoy clockwise. So at least give 10 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to enjoy yourself, so you feel better next time. Fourth is concentrate on one thing. The human mind, you know very well, friends, human minds work more effectively when it is focused. Focus on one thing and get it done. Take care, because when we do something more things at a time, multitasking, like you can say multitasking, so we like not efficient. So I request you, whenever do something, just focus only one thing, what is important to you first, and definitely you can see it is more efficient and more efficient result. Fifth is avoid procrastination at all cost, means delaying. When you're trying to do more productive and trying to save time, so procrastination should be avoided like nothing else. It is ultimate productivity killer. So we definitely, my dear friends, you see in your life, whenever do something, okay, let's say we will do next hour, we will do tomorrow or next week, and so don't do this, because it's consuming your time and your focus. Last is set personal deadlines. Nobody likes deadline. They cause stress, definitely aggressiveness, worry, and more stress. So a guaranteed way to alleviate some of this stress is to set your own earlier deadline. Be realistic but demanding of yourself. Challenge yourself. And referring my 3 tips, reward yourself for a meeting a difficult challenge, like if you get something success in your personal goals, any office goals. So not only will this save you time and make you more productive in the long run, like when you appreciate yourself, you feel more confident and more positive attitude. You have more positive attitude, but you will also have a buffer time with little to no penalties compared to those received for missing a real deadline. Of course, this tip has potential for abuse, so be sure to make your own penalties for missing your personal deadlines. So friends, today I hope you understand how to manage your time and how to succeed in your life. And I request you, please subscribe channel, and I always welcome to your comments. And if you like this video, please like and share my videos. Thank you. Goodbye, friends.